Instagram can build up cache over time, saving temporary data, images, and cookies to speed up loading. In this video, I will show you easy ways to wipe Instagram's cache on your iPhone. The first thing you want to do is open up the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now you want to tap on the search bar. Here you want to type search. Now select search history. Once you are here, you want to tap on the clear all searches option. Select all time, then tap on clear all searches. This will clear all your search suggestions and link cache. Next thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now tap on General, then select iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the Instagram app. Here select Offload app. Tap on Offload app again. After this, tap on the Reinstall app option. Once Instagram application will be reinstalled, your Instagram cache will be fully cleared, freeing up space and resolving most app hiccups. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.